Rutgers Department of Transportation Services has streamlined the customer experience. If you do not have a net ID, you are our guest here at the university, and we have created a special path for you to get the transportation answers you need. Your question, or case, needs to be filed exclusively via email to dotshelp@rutgers.edu. You will not be able to use the DOTS customer service portal at this time. Once you email dotshelp@rutgers.edu with your question or inquiry, you will receive an email confirming your case has been created. An agent will be assigned to your case. You will be able to interact with your agent and clarify anything about your inquiry via email. When the agent successfully finds a solution to your problem, you can close the case by responding to the agent's email with "yes" in all caps. If you need more help, respond with "no" in all caps, and the agent will continue to help find a solution. When a solution is found, you will receive an email confirming that your case is closed. Sometimes, after the case is closed, you will receive an invitation to complete a customer satisfaction survey. Please fill it out so we can continue to improve the customer service experience. Thanks for taking the time to learn about the DOTS customer service portal. Supporting today, envisioning tomorrow.